the International Kitchen project.
Welcome, that's the International Kitchen.
Today we're going to be trying food from people who have cooked all over the world.
I only drank a cup of coffee this morning.
I'm expecting potentially some sausage, maybe a potato. So let's see how it's gonna taste.
I'm just looking forward to it.
Hi, my name's Spencer and I'm going to be tasting Gabriela's food, and she is from the Czech Republic, so we'll see how that tastes. I'm not sure, I don't know a lot about Czech food, so I'm expecting something with potatoes. I know about beer, but I might be proved completely wrong today. I haven't tried any Czech food so far, no. Oh, this looks nice. I'm assuming this is soup, but I can't tell what's inside it. Is that chicken? Gabriela, can you tell me what is in here?
No, it's not chicken, it's bacon and egg.
Oh, that sounds really fancy and tasty. And what am I supposed to do with the other part?
First you put the cheese and you mix it in.
Okay.
And after that you just sprinkle the toast bread on top.
Oh, that sounds nice. Let's try that then. And then I add these on top. I won't take too many. Right, now it's time to try it. You can see the egg floating in it actually, it's really interesting. Oh, that's really tasty. It's really good. It tastes a bit like miso soup from Japan. I know that's a completely different area, but that's what it reminds me of. This isn't what I expected from Czech food.